BMO Active Trader lets you place trades in many different ways throughout the platform interface. You can open tickets from many of the modules, like here in this custom quote module. By clicking on the Ask within the module, I can quickly open up an order ticket to buy. By clicking on the Bid, I can open up an order ticket to sell the asset. Additionally, there are buy and sell buttons at the top of many modules, such as the chart here. Clicking either button will quickly open up the trade ticket to allow you to purchase or sell the asset. In this portfolio workspace, you can initiate a trade for any of the symbols listed. Click on Bid or Ask to open up a ticket. Clicking on the Ask opens up a buy order. There is also a trade column that will quickly open up the trade window when clicked, and this trade column can be added in the portfolio settings. You can also initiate a trade from within the watchlist module. Just right-click on a symbol and go to Trade, and that will again open up a trade ticket. In the Level 2 module, you can see the full book of bids and offers in real time for a certain asset. Clicking a bid or an ask within one of these modules will open up a trading window to buy or sell that asset. If I click on an ask of 47.10 here, it will open up a trading window pre-populated with a limit order for that price. In the time and sales modules below, you can quickly click the buy or sell buttons at the top of the modules, and you'll see this quite a lot throughout the platform. In the options module, clicking the bid or the ask values under each column will open up a trade ticket for an options contract. You can change the quantity as well as other trade details. You can also access dedicated trading windows in the menu in the top right. You have trading accounts, orders, positions, and new trade options listed at the top. Clicking New Trade will open up a trade ticket, and other trading related tabs can be accessed in this window as well, like orders, positions, and accounts. You can also add trading modules to a workspace. To showcase this, I've created a workspace called Trading. In the workspace, I've included both the trade ticket and orders modules. In order to add an additional module, click Add Module in the top right. Select the one that you want to add. I'm going to grab Positions and Accounts. Left click and drag it into the workspace and drop it in place. You can add it as a new panel within the workspace, or you can add it as a tab to the top with the other modules, as I have done. The Trade Ticket module provides you details on your different accounts. It will show you your account information. By using the symbol search box in this module, you can find and trade assets. Let's type in Microsoft, select it, and you will see a quote and chart on the right that includes up-to-date information on Microsoft, including bid, ask, open, high, and previous close. From here, you can pick your transaction type. There's buy, sell, if that is a position you have, and you can also sell short if you want to sell a stock that you don't currently own. You can change the quantity by clicking the plus and minus buttons, or you can type it in manually. Different order types include a market order, which will buy a security at the next available offer price, a limit order, which will buy stock at or below your specified price, on stop, which will place an order once the security reaches your stop price, and if you're selling, you can also choose a hard stop, which is like a limit sell order, but with a duration that is good until canceled, and a trailing stop, which will place an order to sell if the security falls by a percentage that you specify. You can also select the order duration, whether it is good for the current trading day or good through a specific date that you have set in the calendar. And you can select the transaction currency, whether you want to purchase the asset using Canadian dollars or US dollars. When you're ready to place your order, press the Preview Order button. This will give you a breakdown of all the details of your order before you submit it, including the principal amount of the trade, the commission, and the FX rate. When you're ready, click Submit Order, and the trade will be placed. You can create a new order or check on the status of your current order by clicking on the Orders module tab. In this module, you can view current and existing orders for each of your different accounts. You can view your orders based on the type or status of the order. So if you want to look at all orders, current open orders, balance canceled, expired, filled, and so on. You can use the search box to look for an order for a specific security. If you click in the search section and search Microsoft, you can see just that one order we just created. In the Trades tab of the Orders module, you can see recent trades listed. So for example, we can see that this order has been filled. It was a sell order for BMO with a trailing stop, and that was filled on November 2nd. The Positions and Accounts module provides details on your positions for each of your accounts, which you can cycle through on the drop-down menu. You can buy and sell from this module by clicking on the buy and sell buttons on the far right, allowing you to quickly close or add to a current position. In addition to the Positions Profit and Loss tab, there is a Positions Quote tab that allows you to get a current update on the holdings in your account. For each asset, you can see what their open, high, low, close, and change percentage are for the day. In the Positions and Accounts module, under the Accounts tab, you can view each of your individual accounts and cycle through them. To the right, when you click on an account, you'll see a summary of key information. This includes a breakdown of asset class. As you can see here, we have 79% of our holdings in equities and 20% in other, which would be the cash in the account. And finally, you can view the performance chart for the account. You can view the performance over 1 year, 2 years, year to date, or the entire lifetime.